this found you on December 14th, there is a reason. My videos always find you in divine timing, and God himself has thought that there is something you need to hear in today's reading. So here we are. Let's get into the message. I'm going to use the Sun-Kissed Angels Tarot deck today. This is a deck that I made, and it is available in the TikTok shop. But with that being said, let's get into the message. I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to tune in, and I'm going to feel what you need to hear today. Okay. The first thing that I'm seeing a big pair of angel wings, okay? Maybe you have purchased angel wings. Maybe you have jewelry with angel wings. Maybe you are decorating with it, or maybe you're going to be out and about and you're going to see a beautiful pair of angel wings. But this is a validation for you, so pay attention within 24 hours of what you see, because I think that you're going to see these angel wings. Now I'm seeing 777. I think that's going to be a number that finds you as well. And that is an angel number, but 7 is a very special number. That's God's number. So 777, this is big energy. This is, you have the top archangels with you. You have God with you, the energy here. So I feel like you're an important person. I feel like you have something very special that you're about to do, or a message that you're going to, give out. You might be someone who's a healer, someone who's a teacher, but God thinks that you're very special and you're very important. We have the Ace of Swords that came out. Aces are about new beginnings. Swords are about words and thoughts. So what is this saying? Well, I feel like you're having this intuition that there's something that's about to change in your life, this new beginning, the energy of a new beginning, right? Because you don't know what it is yet, though. No, some of you might know what it is, but I feel like a lot of you don't know the full story of what this is. And Spirit's saying, when you're supposed to have the next piece of information, you will. So if you don't know it all right now, don't try to figure out, don't bend over backwards trying to figure it out, because Spirit will make sure you find this information in divine timing. Now, whenever Spirit talks to you, a lot of people think that the clouds will split and a strike of lightning will come down and the trumpets will pierce through the clouds. It's not like that, okay? It's very subtle. In fact, a lot of you guys probably hear from your spirit guides all the time, and you just write it off as you thinking it. Like, you're like, oh, that thought that popped into my head out of the blue, that was me thinking that. No, that was your spirit guide sending you that information. A lot of times also, Spirit uses the physical world, because for that exact reason, we have a hard time listening to our intuition, right? We're living a physical life, and Spirit knows that about us. So Spirit uses physical reality to give us messages all the time. Perhaps your friend texts you and says the perfect thing that you needed to hear. Maybe you get in your car and the song that's on the radio, the lyrics resonate so deeply, it's exactly what you needed to hear. And you always know when these synchronicities are from Spirit because you feel emotion with them, right? You don't think like, oh, that was weird. You feel something, okay? Perhaps you're watching a movie and the characters in the movie are having the same thing happen that you're having happen, and everything ends up okay for them, right? These are all ways that Spirit, uses the physical reality. Maybe you're in line at the grocery store and the people in front of you are talking about something that's similar to your situation, and they talk about a solution. And you're in earshot, and so you hear the solution. Okay, these are all ways that Spirit uses our physical reality to give us the answers that we're needing. So I do feel like there's something big you're about to do. You have a lot of protection. You have a lot of angels around you. So when it is time to know what the next step is, it will be given to you. So pay attention to all the synchronicities that pop up in your life, and know that they are not coincidences. They are synchronicities from God. Okay, you have a big message to share. So get ready, because your time's coming. Let me know if this resonated. Make sure to follow me. I'll see you guys next time.